Turnips are root vegetables known for their crisp texture and slightly peppery flavor. They are versatile in culinary uses, from soups to salads, and offer a range of health benefits due to their nutrient-rich composition. Including turnips in your diet can enhance overall health and support various bodily functions. Here are 10 main health benefits of turnips. Rich in nutrients. Turnips are low in calories but high in vitamin C and K, as well as minerals like potassium and manganese. Supports digestive health. The fiber content in turnips promotes digestion and regular bowel movements. Heart health. Turnips contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and support heart function. Antioxidant properties. Turnips are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which protects cells from damage. Boosts immunity. Vitamin C in turnips strengthens the immune system and aids in fighting infections. Aids in weight management. Low in calories and high in fiber, turnips contribute to a feeling of fullness and support weight loss. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in turnips may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Improves skin health. The vitamin C and antioxidants in turnips promote healthy skin and protect against aging. Regulates blood sugar. The fiber and low glycemic index of turnips help stabilize blood sugar levels. Energy boost. The carbohydrates in turnips provide a steady source of energy throughout the day.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.